Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue again our the third chapter, that is square and square roots. Okay students, so students, in previous classes already we have discussed about the different easy method like observation methods. Yes, but today we are going to discuss about that easy methods to finding the other squares. Okay, how we should find out to a square numbers, okay, by easy methods. Okay students, so let us start. That first one it is given to you for numbers ending in 5. Students, any natural numbers if ending with 5, then how you should find out to its square. Okay, so very easily, very interesting part this is students. You should see students, suppose I am saying 15. Observe, roughly I am first try to understand students. It is 15 end with the 5. Yes, so what you have to do now, make it two parts. One is 5 with and remain other parts. Okay, so carefully understand students. End with 5 you are going to find the square roots, square numbers. So what is the 15 square, what is the value we have to write. So first of all, that number divided into two parts. One is with the end 5, another rest parts. So now 15 I divided into two parts. What is that? One is 5, another one is 1. So 1 next number. Okay, succeed. What is that? 2. 1 into 2 do. First 1 into 2 is equal to how much students? 2. Okay, and this is 5 is there students. End with right to 25. 5 5 to 25. So the 15 is equal to 225. Understood students? So suppose like I will show students 35. 35 make it two parts. Okay, so two parts means first unit place 1 5 is there one part and remain one part. So now two numbers we got. This is 3. 3 next number, what is that number friends? 4. 3 4 are 12 and 5 into 5 25. So this number if you write 35 square is equal to 12 25. Did you understand friends? This 12 and this 25 if you write, then it will over. So 25 end with you have to write it, and this is next number you have to write. So let us start that with examples and a theory you have to understand it very easily. See students, for ending with 5, so if a number in the form x and 5, x means one number, any digits, so then the square will be x into x plus 1 to 5, x into x plus 1 to 5, whatever the numbers will come, that x, that next number with multiply and 2 5. Did you understand? So suppose 35 square, here x is equal to how much means 3, so put here, so 35 square is equal to, what is that? 3 into 3 plus 1 to 5. That means you don't be to multiply here. That means this is one part only. This is first part, this is second part. Okay, so 3 into 4 12, here 25. Did you understand? This is one part. Are you clear? This is number, whatever the 3 into 3 plus 1, this is 12, then next 2 5. So similarly, one more students we can do 75 square. Suppose example 2 will write students 75 square. What you have to do? 75 square means 7 square. 7 next number 7 into 8. Okay, 7 into 8. Again this is first part. Again 2 5. That means this number getting after how much later? 56 2 5. Did you understand? It is very easy method for you students. 85 suppose. 85 square. So first part find out to. I am doing another way. First part is equal to 8 into 9, because 8 is next number. 8 9 is 72. Second part is equal to 25. 5 into 5. So 25. The answer is equal to how much means 7225. This is our answer. Okay, so like this way, if end with 5 is there friends, you can do. That means if you multiply the first unit place, you leave this 5 and end with the 25 you have to submit. Okay, whatever the digits you will get, that this next succeeding number you will multiply and you should add 25. This is one. Second one friends, square numbers close to 100. If we are going to find out to a square numbers, to which one is nearest to 100, that means how can we find out? Suppose students find the square of 97. It is another one. It is not end with the 5. This is end with 5 in part. This is one. So this is second another one is methods. Okay students. So how we should find out the nearest to 100 it is there. Suppose 97, 96, 98, 99, 101, 102 like this number if it is there. How we should find out? So it is near to close to 100. Okay. So near to 100 or close to 100. That means 97 is one number. It is near to 100. So how we should find out the 97 square? Now students observe that the deficiency of 97 from 100 is 3. Remember students, this 97 how much deficiency there? Deficiency means less. Deficiency means less is there. How much less is there? 100 minus 97 is equal to 3. First of all, how much less is there to 100? Whatever number it has given to you, how much less is there? Or it needs how much to get 100? Now 100 minus 90. Always you have to subtract from 100 because it should become. So 100 minus 97 is equal to how much students? 3. Okay. So if you do whatever the subtraction we got, what are the deficiency we get? That square you do. That is the second part. Whatever the your square you are get, the second part is there, one first part is there. Second part how you should get students? Now what is the deficiency we will get? That square. So we got now deficiency how much students? 3. So 3 square is equal to 9. This is second part. Remember students. This is second part of the square number. Okay. So now we will write students. What is the answer? Answer we can write like this here students. This is first part. This is second part. Okay. This is second part. This is suppose first part. Okay. Already second part we got. Yes. How that? 09 because whatever the deficiency we got, that is square we will. 3 square is equal to 9. So don't write single digit. You should write that 09. Now you have to get the first part. So first part how will you get? First part is equal to students. What you have to do? Remember students. What is the number of 97 we had given. Deficiency you should subtract. Whatever the deficiency we got, that you subtract from the 97. So whatever the 97 minus 3, how much students? 94. This is called as the second part. Okay. So hence first part. So answer is equal to, we can write down. So hence 97 whole square is equal to first part how much? 94. Second part 09. So this is our answer. Okay friends, this 94 is first part, 09 is equal to second part. Did you understand about this? Okay, one more we can take that examples. Okay, students, we can take one more example for that. Example 2. Okay, and 9080 square. Okay, students, how much is that? What you have to find out? 9080 square is to find out. What you have to do now, students? You should do this. First of all, what you have to do? Now, first we have to do 100 minus 98. Yes, is equal to how much? 2. Yes. So the square of the 2 deficiency, or we can write as 2 square is equal to how much students? 4. 4 means you have to write 0, 4. This is called as what? Second part. This is second part we got. Now again, now we get 98 minus 4. Whatever the deficiency we got, we have to subtract from the 98. So it's equal to how much students? 94. Okay. So now you got this is what students? 94. This is first part. Okay. Now that answer. Hence answer is equal to, or 9080 whole square is equal to first part 94, second part 04. This is our answer. Okay students. I hope you have understood about this. So whatever first of all what you have to do now, whenever that number sheet has given how much deficiency there. Now 3 is deficiency. Now 3 square you do 9, 09 you do. That is the second part over. Now first part how will find out? Whatever the deficiency we got, the deficiency that main whatever the given number, from that to subtraction to whatever number will come, that is called as a first part. Okay, and the first part and second part if you combine it, you write, that will get our answer. answer. Okay students, I hope you have understood about this, and then you should do the homework for you. And students, everybody should do the homework and send me by my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, first number this is, and 9 square, second one 98 96 square. Okay, so and 96 square are 75 square, fourth 65 square. By which one suitable method that you have to follow and you have to do. Okay, thank you all.